What's up, people? It's your boy, the Black Cobra, back once again. Today we're talking electric unicycles, and it's here, the 16X by Kingsong. I've been waiting for it. It finally got here. I'm excited to open it. I almost couldn't wait to record this video because I want to get in this box so bad. So let's check it out, see what we got inside, and get this puppy going. Stay tuned. Yeah. Alright, so first and foremost, I want to thank Jason at eWheels. Jason has been in constant contact with me back and forth, and my man took care of me and made sure I got one of these bad boys, and we're going to ride it right now. Alright, so here we go. Let's open her up. Alright, let's try not to stab myself. I'm not going to lie, I feel like a kid on Christmas again. Alright. Ooh-wee. We're gonna do one box at a time. How about we do that? Woo-hoo-hoo. Alright. Now the question is, are we on the bottom or are we on the top? Let's go again. Let's go again. Woo! Yeah, this is the bottom. So we're gonna flip it. Alright. Here we go. Ooh. All right. So, right off the top, we're gonna start with some nice eWheels wrist guards, and you know you need these. If you're riding the electric unicycle, you need to have these. For those of us who have taken a tumble or two, these are a lifesaver. Mine are all scratched up, so now I got another pair. Okay. You got the charging brick here and the extended cable to charge it. Now this is the charger that comes with it. Oh, almost missed the fuse. Now the thing is, since I pre-ordered, eWheels also sent me the rapid charger. So I got two, so that should keep me up and running for quite a while. Of course, we got the Kingsong booklet here. And yes, it is in English. That was a concern. I know there's issues with the app because of the translation. Oh yeah. I know it, you don't hear it, but it sounded like, oh, that's what it sounded like to me. Now maybe it's just me. Oh, baby. Oh. Yes, yes, yes. Love it. Look at that puppy. Oh, oh. It's nothing like fresh and new. Let's see how long it stays that way. Oh. This is one of the things that I really love about Kingsong is how big the foot pedals are. They're so big, and I got a size 12, so half the time it's sticking off front and back, but on these it doesn't stick off as much because of the size of the pedals. And then we got that nice mud flap in the back. And what I really love is the texture. We have some of the carbon fiber plating here. I like the look of that. I kind of wish it had the carbon fiber plating on the side all the way, but as you know, if you were following these already, they're gonna have replaceable side panels here with different designs, so you can put what you want on it. And actually, it looks like it's hard, but it has like a little, maybe foam, not foam, I'm not sure what it is, but it has a little give to it. So that'll be nice and comfortable for the ride. At least the top pad does. This one has a little bit of give to it, and these two are a little more solid. 16-inch wheel, okay? This is absolutely the smallest that I want to go. If you're a good sized guy, you don't want anything too small because it doesn't handle the weight the same as a larger tire. I still was looking at the 18 inches, but this is probably the best one so far at 16 inches because of what it offers. All right, so looking at this, you see they have the 1554 already on the top. They did an excellent job on the design of this wheel. I think there's Out of everything I see on this wheel, there's only one thing I have a complaint about, and I'll get to that. But I love the fact that they have covers for these ports, because those of us that ride know we don't just ride in great weather, and sometimes we get caught in the weather. So having nice covers for these is definite. The power button, honestly, is probably one of the best things that we have, because on some of the wheels that I've ridden, you grab the handle, you start talking, and you do something, and boom, you hit the power button and shut it off. You're standing on the side and you say, hey, let me check that out. You reach over and bam, you hit the button by mistake. That has happened so many times that I lost count. But having the button down here is out of the way. You don't have to worry about it. You're not gonna hit it by accident. I like the way that this is designed, with the lights in the front that go all the way down, in the back that go all the way down. However, that doesn't give you the lighting that you want on the side. That's the only thing I don't like when I look at this, is the lighting doesn't come from the side. The InMotion and the Tesla, they have some great lighting from the side. And that to me is something that you need, because when you're out in traffic, when you're riding at night, which I've ridden at night a lot, people that see that, what is that, a UFO or something? They always say something, they have some sort of comment, but they see me. They don't just see me from the front and the back, they see me from the side as well. So I'm not so worried about getting run over or getting hit by somebody by accident because they didn't see the lights coming. Another one of the biggest reasons I got this was the tire, because it's got that 3-inch tire, 16 inches, which is just the right size, but the width is what makes a difference. It's not quite the Z10 with that 4-inch bomber tire that can handle everything, but it's got a 3-inch tire that gives you a whole different feel. And when I rode it already, I did a test drive on a buddy's. The feel of it was amazing. It was a huge difference coming from the InMotion V8 and even on the Tesla, which was a little bit better, but this was even better than that. The stability is increased, and I'm hoping that I'm gonna be able to get to those top speeds and stay smooth and not worry about it with this tank that I got right here. All right, so I'm not gonna go in depth as far as the details and the torque and the amperage and all that kind of stuff, because I'm sure that if you're looking at this video and you talked about this, you know about this. However, I'm gonna save some of that for the next video when I give you a little more after I ride it a little. But what I do want to talk about is some of the detailing. Now, I talked about the pedals and how big they are, because you know my foot is gonna fit on there nicely. But what I didn't talk about was the texture. It has that nice sandpapery feel to it, so it's gonna, when you put your foot on there, it's gonna grip it really good and give you something to hold on to. So when you hit bumps, you don't have to worry about your foot sliding off the pedals. It has the nice KingSong labeling on inside here. And the other thing is the handle. The handle has that lift assist cutoff. They don't have the button like the InMotion, because it's my understanding that they can't do that, but they do have it set so you can feel a little bit of a click when you go to pull it up, and it'll shut off the motor so that you can continue. I like the handle because to me, KingSong has the best handle in the game. There is nobody that can touch this handle. It has dual levels, and when it's all the way down, I can't even explain how solid that is to hold on to. So this, to me, is the best handle ever made, the best pedals, and the pedals have an extra 1/2-inch clearance that gives you that clearance that you need when going over things. Those of you who ride a lot off-road, you know that when we go through the woods and you're trying to make jumps, you're trying to go over ramps, you're trying to go through fields of grass and things like that, that little extra clearance is something that you need, something that you wish you had. And now that I have it on this, I can't wait to get on this thing and get going. So stay tuned. I'm gonna put up as many videos as I can as I get used to this thing, as I put it through its paces, because I plan to do a lot of riding. I'm going up to Boston this weekend to do some riding, so I'll have more information for you then and give you more details in case you are interested in picking this bad boy up. I'm excited already, as you can tell, and I can't wait to ride. All right, so we're gonna get going, we're gonna get riding. So until next time, make sure you come back and check us out. Remember, I'm here with your gadgets, games, and gear, but now I'm focusing for a little while on my electric unicycles. Everybody riding EUCs, come back. We're gonna make many more videos to keep you interested and to keep you entertained.